Hey guys, hope you are all having a great day. We had some amazing performance from GameStop and AMC once again, with GameStop having some pretty big news as well. However, around the middle of the day, stocks began to give off their gains in general, with the major benchmarks pulling back some of the gains they have made for the last couple of trading sessions. Before we start, let me quickly state that I am not a financial advisor, and that all content discussed in this channel is simply information gathered that I deem important for people to know, so that they can make informed decisions. All efforts are aimed to better understand the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, Looping, which is the native token of Ethereum, shared an update officially affirming their partnership with GameStop. As a result, Looping token's price rose over 34%, finally passing over $1. The GameStop NFT marketplace has indeed taken their first steps to welcome users, and it is built atop Looping. As we all know, after GameStop's announcement of their partnership with Immutable X, Looping was mentioned in an SEC filing, but no official announcement had been made. Now that everything is affirmed, we are simply just waiting for the end of the second quarter for GameStop to officially launch their new NFT marketplace. I am beyond happy about this amazing development. It marks a crucial point for GameStop as a company, one that has so many possibilities and opportunities. GameStop shares continued to climb yesterday in the after-hours session, reaching over 148. This was mostly due to Ryan Cohen buying 100,000 GameStop shares. Today, GameStop briefly surpassed yesterday's high, this time running to 150.93, a massive success. AMC too enjoyed an amazing performance, running up over $22. However, both stocks began to give up some of their gains along with the rest of the market as investors begin to contemplate the potential for the Fed to take even a more aggressive approach to inflation. We have talked about this obsessively on this channel this past week. You already know where I stand in regards to this bull run markets have been enjoying. Watch my Sunday video for a deeper dive into it if you missed it. With that said, let's now talk about today. The Fed submitted over $1.803 trillion in reverse repo operations today. Dark pool trades for AMC accounted for 54% of the total volume today, while dark pool trades for GameStop accounted for 56% of the total volume today. AMC had a larger amount of buy orders than sell orders, with GameStop also having a larger amount of buy orders than sell orders. Now, let's talk about performance. AMC had a bullish day, gaining over 13%. The stock began losing some of the extraordinary gains it made during the after-hours trading session yesterday, and became insanely volatile once markets opened. It went from 18.20 to 20.40 in just a couple of minutes. After finding support at 18.60, AMC began building pressure which would send it off to a new high of 22.35. After this run, AMC began selling off, closing at 20.74, below the VWAP. Support will be met at 19.80, 19.50 and 19. Resistance will be met at 21.65, 22 and 22.55. GameStop had a bullish day, gaining over 14%. It began selling off during the pre-market, only to bounce back once markets opened and news of their looping announcement came out. It went from trading below 127 to a run to 150.93. After this high, it began selling off, experiencing lower highs and closing at 141, below the VWAP. Support will be found at 134, 131 and 130.50. Resistance will be met at 147, 150, 154. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so very much for making it to the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And most importantly, remember to come join my Discord. If you want to support this channel, I have a Patreon link in the description as well as some one-time donation links for Cash App and PayPal. Thank you again for being a part of this channel. I will continue striving for better content. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep on buying the dip and to the moon.